P3O provides best practice guidance on developing a portfolio, program, and project office. This office doesn't replace existing methods of portfolio, program, or project management within an organization, but rather enables decision-making to make organization-wide change more effective. But first, before we dive into what constitutes a P3O, let's make sure we all agree on the elements of portfolio, program, and project management, or PPM, starting with portfolio management. A portfolio represents all or part of an organization's investment in the changes required to achieve its strategic objectives. Portfolio management involves the coordination of strategic processes and decisions to enable the most effective balance of organizational change and business as usual, or BAU, which refer to the way the business normally achieves its objectives. The process of developing a portfolio will require decisions to be made on how the scarce resources, such as money, people, infrastructure, and other facilities, can be deployed to achieve best results. Decisions must consider both operational and strategic priorities when determining where investment should be made. In defining the portfolio, existing operational programs or projects may have to be realigned or terminated if they're not aligned with the strategy. Programs or projects that are already underway may also be put on hold, while higher priority programs and projects supporting the strategy are delivered. The focus of portfolio management is delivery of the organization's strategy. It achieves this in various ways. Firstly, portfolio management ensures that changes to business as usual are agreed at the appropriate management level and contribute to at least one strategic objective. It also ensures that strategic decisions are based on a clear understanding of cost, risk, impact on business as usual, and the strategic benefit to be realized. Portfolio managers also prioritize resources and changes in line with the current environment, existing changes, resource capacity and capability, and frequently review changes in terms of progress, cost, risk priority, benefits, and strategic alignment. By doing this, portfolio management aligns the delivery of programs and projects with strategic objectives, business requirements, and the organization's capability, its capacity for change, and its PPM maturity. Portfolio management is an active and iterative process and requires the collection and analysis of timely, relevant information about the organization's investment initiatives, such as programs and projects, in one place. Portfolio management should consider not just the organization's change agenda, but also the wider business picture, taking account of business as usual. In the context of P3O, business as usual describes the things done to keep the business operating on a day-to-day basis. By understanding the demands on business as usual, including its life cycles and key events, the delivery of change through programs and projects can be timed and managed to ensure the least disruption. Only by understanding and appreciating the organization's full suite of commitments, such as corporate, program, project, and business as usual, can a fully balanced business portfolio be achieved. Many organizations segment their portfolio by business unit, division, department, or geography, allowing local portfolio management in line with the organization's structure and governance framework. Best practice guidance is available in Management of Portfolios, or MOP. Next, let's discuss program management. A program is a temporary, flexible organization structure created to coordinate, direct, and oversee the implementation of a set of related projects and activities in order to deliver outcomes and benefits related to the organization's strategic objectives. A program is likely to have a life that spans several years. Finally, let's look at project management. A project is a temporary organization that is created for the purpose of delivering one or more business products according to an agreed business case. Project management involves the planning, delegating, monitoring, and control of all aspects of the project to achieve its objectives within the expected performance targets for time, cost, quality, scope, benefits, and risks. Projects can stand alone. They don't need to be part of a program. Best practice guidance is available in MSP with Prince 2, which stands for Projects in Controlled Environments.